剥がしたのでしょ。
Oh,
おさるやんか。
nice shoe.
おさるちゃん。
No, this is good. You put water here,
Oh, no kidding.
and then
So you can use it for any water-based media?
yeah, so you don't if you go outside.
Oh, that was wonderful.
Isn't that great?
God, that is wonderful.
Oh, it's, now tell me what this is. It's water.
It's a watercolor
You
brush
put water in the
Watercolor
bath
brush.
for the
and
water.
water in a stem.
Yeah.
If
So
you-
Oh, so you
continually-
don't have to bring
Mhm.
water with you.
So if you just want to just color in something.
Uh-huh. So you
Cool.
would just touch your media and
Yeah.
then this would continually reinforce it.
And that's from
Just
Japan?
just for like a little sketch, you know,
Uh-huh.
you can't use it for a big one. But it might be kind of interesting to use it with
I'm
a
doing
regular brush.
mostly little things these
Little
days.
things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And is that from Japan?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thank you very much.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's so
So
sweet.
I got, yeah, and then they have different sizes, but this was the one which was available. It's got written Ryushido. Ryushido is they specialize in brushes
Ah.
on Teramachi Street, and I tested, you know, several different ones, and
Mhm.
this one is my favorite.
Wow.
It's not like somebody. What is that?
Might have action going on here.
Is that?
トーマスの横に。はい。はい。これどうやってこれ。
はーい。
Oh,
Oh,
hi.
あ、マッサージしてあげる、マッサージ。
Yeah, I got
Oh,
it.
that's-
Oh, it's a joint massage.
You
I
have to
see.
sit.
Yeah, yeah, because I couldn't get it
Oh,
before.
she's too strong.
Oh, whoa.
Oh.
It's a violent massage.
Oh.
This is shiatsu, deep tissue, huh?
Here, Eugene, she should find out how strong you are. You're strong. Yeah.
Very
strong.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.